In this course, I will walk you through development in a massively popular Vue JS framework. We are going to build two amazing applications with tons of features on which you will get complete understanding of Vue framework. I believe building real applications is the best way to learn and understand complicated topics. Together, we'll build complex applications where users can create and join various meetups. We'll go through basic to advanced concepts of Vue JS, such as data bindings, directives, event handling, and much more. We will start in a nice fresh pace. We will create first Vue components, basic interactions, and navigation on our page. I will introduce you Vuex state management, which is similar as Redux for React. We will cover two types of authentications: authentication with sessions and a JWT authentication, and you can choose your preferable one. You will learn how to create powerful forms, validations, and data manipulation on your form. I will teach you how to create and update entities and update Vue in real time. In our case, we'll be working with the meetups. In later sections, we will start working with Socket library in order to implement interactive chat functionality for meetups threads. After that, we will work on functionality to find meetups by locations and categories. At this point, we'll be covering interesting and challenging topics. Profile page will be created only by you. I prepared series of assignments for entire section where you will get practical understanding of Vue framework. There is much more prepared for you to discover in the course. I hope you will have fun programming with me. I wish you best of luck, and I hope to see you in the course.